New toy alert. Look what we got. So I love technology and gadgets. I love new things. And when Dhananjani yesterday all of a sudden brought this up to me and said Insta360 came out with a new camera, I said, all right, let me take a look. And she started telling me about it. I said, fine, I guess we got to get it for the channel.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, so we're going to show more about it. She's going to learn everything there is to know about this camera, and we'll get down and dirty with it because I don't know anything. I'm not the photographer or videographer. She is. Oh. What camera? Well, I'm not recording anything. That's pretty dope. Now I could go running.